Viewers, namaste. In corporate, often we know if your complaint or if your query is not resolved at level 1, it gets escalated to level 2. And there comes escalation matrix. But you would be surprised to know it's just not confined within corporate. It's there in government sector too. Pimpri Chinchwad Police Commissioner Mr. Chaubey has introduced a similar system when it comes to complaints or queries of citizens in PCPC. Sir, what is it and what exactly you and your team are planning to do through this initiative?
Uh, Actually, every Saturday we were having public grievance redressal day. That day, in all police stations, the applications which were pending or the people who had any grievance, they could go to their respective police stations and seek redressal of their grievances. So it was working very well. We all concentrated on it, but there were certain issues which were not resolved at that level, and people didn't feel satisfied. So to just have a next level of it, now we are having the same mechanism, but that will be held at CP office, and it will be headed by CP, and who will be in turn assisted by all the senior officers, joint CP, additional CP, and DCP. And we will be meeting all the members of the public from Pimpri Chinchwad to, number one, redress their grievances. Number two, if they have some good suggestions, say about the traffic or any to improve the security environment of the area. Number three, in general, any positive feedback or any initiative which they might have seen at other places, which we can emulate here in Pimpri Chinchwad. So this will be a kind of open house interaction with the people of Pimpri Chinchwad, who can come and meet me and all senior officials of Pimpri Chinchwad Police at one place every Monday from 4 to 6 p.m. in CP office.
And what is the expectation? I mean, you want people to come with suggestions more, or it's specifically the case of grievances which should come at level 2 in case not resolved?
Both of them. In fact, this we view as a forum for interaction with the people.
It's an opportunity.
Most of the grievances we understand, and our experience, what we have seen from our experience is that they get resolved at the police station level. But still there are certain issues which they may like to escalate. Some of them might not be satisfied, so they can come and meet us. So it will be a tool for redressal of grievance. But otherwise, many times we have so many industries, so many senior executives working in these IT and auto hub industries. So such people have wide experience. They can come in, and they might be facing different kind of problems which they might not be comfortable in
Sometimes challenges.
discussing, and challenges also. Maybe not for individually for them, but maybe for their industry or for their sector. So here it will be a more wide-ranging discussion along with redressal of the grievances of individuals.
So it's a great collaboration effort, I would say, to for the betterment of the PCPC, I would say. Pimpri Chinchwad area.
Yeah, we are also looking forward to receiving a large Pimpri Chinchwadkars in large number here in our office that day.
Noted, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.